This is the most awaited video. One day and full physics will be clear. Let's start. Here I will tell you every plan, how to do a single chapter, how I follow the process, everything. Let's do it. Full physics, one day, revise it properly, everything, follow me. Okay, so baga. Okay, I am going to start one day full physics, and I was going to start it on Saturday, but I haven't did it, so I will do it Sunday, tomorrow. And this video I'm uploading it right now. Today it was unable to do, but still in the night I will do it. It's around right now 9:44. I will start at 10 o'clock and I will complete it as soon as possible. Okay, so I have done this marking scheme, how much to give priority to which topics, which lessons, and then I will do that properly. Secondly, how I will do it, okay. So see, this is one chapter, motion and plane. Let's consider rotational motion, 44 marks, most weighted. So what I will do is rotational motion, here it is. And also I will suggest any YouTube video to get one shot quickly. It's not of any MHT CET, it's about JE, so you can follow it if you want to, but I will follow that only. I'm going to follow that. So firstly I will focus on JE. So here, this is the channel, Edunity Physics, Mohit sir, and here he is giving this notes and all. So that's what I'm doing right now. I will do this gravitation soon. I will start it. It's break right now, and here it's the timeline, which are important. I will do that only. Newton's law of pulling, and that this thing, whichever is coming in MHT CET, I will check here. That only topics I will do. Then I will revise in this. Okay, so first step my will be selecting chapter. Second step, watching this video, getting revised. Here sir will also teach the concepts plus formulas, which will help in everything. So firstly I will do this. I will watch like in half hour you will complete this thing if you watch properly, or 15 to 20 minutes, because this is one shot. So 15 to 20 minutes one lesson, and then you will revise. I will do target revision, in which I will read these shortcuts, formulas, some this important points, these things, and then my chapter will be done. Okay, and I will do this. I will complete this whole syllabus, this all chapters, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 to 25 chapters in one day. Okay, so let's consider if it is 25 chapters, like 24 chapter round figure, in one day we have 24 hours. If one chapter takes around 30 minutes, if we give it if we give 30 minutes per chapter, we will read 12 hours, and 12 hours is easy if you follow us. Okay, so for that we are daily uploading all the important timetable, and tomorrow is Sunday plus Gudi Padwa, and happy Gudi Padwa to all of you. And yes, Gudi Padwa will be there, and we will still study because we will celebrate it like 1-2 hours. Then after that we have tomorrow Sunday. We will give 100% here only. I will share the best timetable for tomorrow, starting from morning one session, then some Gudi Padwa celebration, eatings and all. I will give 3 hours break in middle. After that in afternoon we will have one nap in evening we will have workout. Still you will get 12 hours plus to study. Just follow us and you will be doing this in one day. If you want to start tomorrow, I'm going to start it. If you want to follow, no, now only I'm going to start some chapters of 12th. I will do right now. After that tomorrow I will complete this physics and you can do it. So yes, thank you so much for watching, and yeah, join our WhatsApp group. We continuously share there everything. You can discuss with other students too, your problems, everything. Yeah, thank you, bye bye.